quilters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for giving me just a few minutes this morning to talk about our Quilt Guild show here in Arizona. So this past weekend was the Let Freedom Ring quilt show by the American Arizona Quilt Guild here in Arizona. So it is a statewide show. It was really awesome. They had a new location this year. They've been over at the Mesa Convention Center for as long as I can remember. I don't know, and that's only going back 3 or 4 years. But I think they've been there much longer. This year they moved out to Glendale, which is closer to us. So I kind of actually liked where the show was, and it was at what is called the Martin Auto Museum. Didn't take the time to go through the auto museum, but it was kind of neat with what we could see in the museum itself. But had a lot of vendors at the quilt show this past weekend. Had a lot of shows, quilts entered. We had lots of different categories. So they had youth quilt and abstract and pictorial, machine embroidery, but just a lot of fun things. I did enter 2 quilts. I did enter one in machine embroidery. I did not receive a ribbon in this show. And I also entered in, I believe, they called mixed technique, which is a duet in that because the Stars and Stripes quilt that Sparkle and Stripes, I think was the name of it, that I entered, actually had the applique for the stars and some things on it. So it did have a couple of techniques to it. Again, did not want a ribbon for that either, but it was still neat to go to the show, see all the stuff that was there. Had some absolutely gorgeous quilts. We've done several quilt shows in the last month or so, right? My local guild had their show. Then the one just up the street had theirs, and then the one over in Sun City had their show. So it was interesting to be able to go and see the entries that were there from the state all over. Arizona is a much larger state than you think of at times, especially with all our geography and topography, right? So you only have to go an hour or so north to get into real green and snow and all that craziness, and yet here I live purely in the desert, and right now our temperatures are just crazy, and it's still the month of March. But guys, thanks for dropping in. I have put together what we considered some of the best quilts in the show. What that means is those are the quilts that we liked, that resonated with us, that we found to just really pop. Not necessarily traditional piecing, not necessarily best of show, not necessarily ribbon award winners, but the quilts that we liked. And when you see a different video, um, you will know that John did find several quilts that he liked. We bought some patterns and that to go with it. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for dropping in. If you were part of the Arizona Quilt Guild, thanks for participating. Thanks for all the work the volunteers and the elected members did for us. It's so awesome to be associated with such a great organization. And guys, until next time, happy crafting.